Hello, welcome to another video in my Trividya YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to find the equation of the circle whenever the endpoints of a diameter are given. So from this figure, we can say that AB is the diameter. Why? Because it is passing through the center of the circle. So AB is the diameter. So the points A and B will be given. So we need to find the equation of the circle. So that is what we have to do. So first, we will check that is this a necessary condition to find the circle equation. That means he has given the endpoints of a diameter. So let us assume that those endpoints are point A is having the coordinates x1 comma y1 and point B is having the coordinates x2 comma y2. So these are given. So with this we have to find the equation of the circle. First of all, we need if we have to find the equation of a circle, we require two things. So that is one is center of the circle and another one is radius of the circle. So if I find these two things, I can find the equation of the circle. So with the given points, I can find the center of the circle. Center of the circle. How I can find the center of the circle means endpoints of a diameter are given. So center of the circle exactly lies in the middle of endpoints of diameter. That means midpoint of A and B will give me the center of the circle. So I can use the midpoint formula here. So the center will become x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So these are the center coordinates. So after finding the center, I can find the radius by using the distance AB. So distance AB represents diameter of the circle. So the radius of the circle will be half of the AB distance, that will be d by 2. So the distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is the AB distance. I have applied the formula distance between 2 points here to find the distance d. So half of this will become radius. After finding the center and radius, so if I know the center and radius of a circle, I can find the equation of the circle with the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So in the place of h comma k, I can substitute in the place of h as x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and in the place of k I can substitute y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So why? Because in this equation h comma k is the coordinates of the center. That center coordinates we found as x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and we find the value of r, that is d by 2. We can find the value of d from this formula. So all things are well known here. If we substitute the values here, and we can find the equation of the circle easily. So this is one way to find the equation of the circle whenever endpoints of a diameter are given. So without finding the center and radius also, I can find the equation of the circle. So let me do that. So to find the equation of the circle without finding the center and radius in this given condition, with this given condition. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking one random point P on the circle P. I don't know the coordinates of P. So I'm taking the random coordinates, that is x comma y on the circle. So now what I will do is I will join point P to the A and point P to the B. So if you observe the angle APB, angle APB, that should be equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because it is an angle in semicircle. It's an angle in semicircle. So now what I have to do is, I can say that PA is perpendicular to PB. Okay. So PA straight line is perpendicular to the PB straight line. So that means the slope of PA multiplied by slope of PB should be equal to -1. So why? Because whenever two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes must be equal to 1, -1. So now slope of PA multiplied by slope of PB is equal to -1. So let me write that condition. Slope of PA multiplied by slope of PB should be equal to -1. So the slope formula, I know that slope formula is slope of the point AB. Okay, let me write slope of AB. So that will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, I will be using this formula to find the slope of PA and slope of PB. So if I apply the formula, whenever I apply the formula slope of straight line for the PA straight line, so P will be the coordinates x2 comma y2 this way. So the difference of y coordinates in the numerator divided by difference of x coordinate in the denominator taken in order. Okay. So let me write the slope of PA. So slope of PA will be difference of y coordinates in the numerator, that is y minus y1, divided by difference of x coordinates in the denominator. So taken in order. So if I take y minus y1 in the numerator, I have to take x minus x1 in the denominator also, not x1 minus x. Okay. So I have taken in order, that is the slope of PA, and I have the slope of PB here, that is slope of PB is y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. So the slope of PA and multiplied by slope of PB should be is equal to -1. So now what I have to do is I transpose this denominator x minus x1 times of x minus x2 to the right hand side. So what I will get is on the left hand side y minus y1 into y minus y2. So on the right hand side I have already -1. So to this I will be getting x minus x1 multiplied and x minus x2. So now you transpose this entire right hand side thing to the left hand side. So we have a minus sign here. So if it comes to the left hand side, so it will become plus. So now x minus x1 times of x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times of y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle whenever the endpoints of a diameter are given. So this is worth watching, and this is worth remembering. So why? Because without finding the radius and diameter, I can directly substitute the given coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 into the equation and directly simplify this equation so that I can get the equation of a circle whenever the endpoints of the diameter are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So that's it for this video, and I hope you have understood very well. Thank you.